In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply another one of Canva's new animation movement called the wiggle animation. We are going to start off by opening Canva and go to mobile video. Open a blank canvas and go to photos. In the search bar, type hot air balloon and go to the 7th row. Choose your image and put it onto your canvas. Remove the background of your image. After you've removed your background, you can resize and reposition your image. Next, we'll go to elements. And when you get to elements in the search bar, type clouds. And go to graphics. Go to the 4th row and choose the clouds in the middle. The name is Bold Organic Clouds. You can drag your clouds onto your canvas, reposition, and resize your clouds. And we are going to put our clouds behind our image. Now let's give our clouds a little bit of color. Tap on color and then look for the color that you prefer. Now we are going to animate our clouds. In the toolbar, tap on animate and then scroll all the way to tectonic. When you get to tectonic, increase the intensity of your animation, of your cloud animation. Now duplicate your clouds and put them at the bottom of your canvas. Now we are going to animate our air balloon. In the toolbar, tap onto animate and goes to the wiggle animation. You can decrease the intensity of the wiggle just to have a smooth animation. And this is the final result. We can take it further and add a combination of animation movements. Go to animate and then scroll to create animation. Drag your air balloon gently to the bottom of the canvas. Depending on the movement style you desire, it can be original, smooth, or steady. Once you've decided on your movement style, press done. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Until the next one, peace.